So a message just ran across the top that said, poor battery consistency. Again, I don't know what that's about. I don't think I've been doing anything that I'm not supposed to do with it. But there it is. So I have the solar panels out. It's pretty cloudy out. So I'm only getting 36 watts right now. Yeah, and it says that the battery's at 1%. Like, how's it at 1% when it just was at 50%? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. So, yeah. So, battery health status. So it's showing the various voltages here of the different cells, I suppose. It says battery consistency excellent, but it didn't say that before. You can see one of them right here, 2.96. That's not supposed to be there. That might be a bad cell. So if you look, this one right here says 2.96 for that cell, and the rest of them are 3.32. So I think this has a bad cell in it actually. So yeah, that doesn't look good at all. All right, I'm gonna let it go back up. I'll look at the cell status once it gets to like a decent charge, see, you know, where they are as far as balance is concerned, and then do a discharge on it again and see what happens with that cell. But that does not look good at this point. All right, that's it for now. Until next time. Actually, ever since I first tried to discharge it, it gave me all these codes. So I was not able to discharge it once without getting the poor battery consistency code. Okay.